the introduction video, it was mentioned that in a joint variation, an increase in x and y causes an increase in z, and a decrease in x and y causes a decrease in z. For example, as the base and the height of a triangle increases, its area is also expected to increase. Also, as the base and the height decreases, the area should also decrease. In a joint variation, the statement A varies jointly as B and C means A is equal to K times B times C, or K is equal to A over B times C, where K is the constant of variation. Find the equation of variation where A varies jointly as B and C, and A is 36 when B is 3 and C is 4. First, we have to translate the statement A varies jointly as B and C into the mathematical equation A equals K, B, C. And then we will use the values A equals 36 when B is 3 and C is 4 to solve for the value of K. Doing that, in this equation, A will be 36, K will be retained, B is 3, C is 4, and then simplify this equation to solve for the value of K. To do that, we have to simplify 3 times 4, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Now, to solve for the value of K, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 12. And then, simplify. We may cancel this out, and then 1 will remain, and 1 times K is equal to K. 1 over 12 times 36 is equal to 3, because we can cancel this out. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Therefore, the value of K is 3. Now, to solve for the equation of variation, we must only use the equation A equals KBC, and then use the value of the constant of variation to solve for the equation. So in this, A will be retained, and then substitute the value of K, which is 3, copy B, copy C, and the constant or the equation of variation will be A equals 3BC. Z varies jointly as X and Y. If Z is 16 when X is 4 and Y is 6, find the constant of variation and the equation of the relation. So, as we have done in the previous examples, first we have to translate the statement Z varies jointly as X and Y into a mathematical equation Z equals K, X, Y. And then we will use the given values. Z is 16 when X is 4 and Y is 6, and then substitute it to our equation to solve for the value of K. Doing so, in this equation, Z will be 16, K will be retained, X will be substituted by 4, and Y will be substituted by 6. And then simplify the equation. First, we have to multiply 4 and 6, and that is equal to 24. To further solve this equation, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 24. We may now cancel this out. 1 will remain, and 1 times K is equal to K. We may cancel this out to 3, and this 1 to 2. So this will be transformed into its lowest term, 2/3. K will be equal to 2/3. Now that we have our constant of variation, we can now proceed to finding our equation of variation, again by using our equation z equals kxy. We only have to substitute the value of k, which is 2/3, in this equation, 2/3 xy, and our equation of variation is z equals 2/3 xy.